It's nice to recognize the service that service members have done, regardless of branches, and the fact that they're being implemented to younger generations. It's pretty nice. It gives them an idea of what it's like to join the military.
Doing it for a bigger purpose, something bigger than you, and it is very much a meritocracy. The more whatever you put in, you're going to get out of it. So.
I think it's very important. I mean, it makes you feel proud. It also is a way of giving back. So it's like when people hear your story, maybe it'll convince them to join.
Veterans, when you hear your song, please stand or wave. Everyone, please stand when you hear the Pledge of Allegiance and the National Anthem.
Growing up, I really looked up to military veterans, and it's just very interesting to finally be a veteran and be surrounded by the guys that I looked up to growing up.
Sometimes I feel that our legacy as service members are dying. We don't keep the tradition, so events like this carry on with the tradition and the legacy for those who served.